Hey everybody, it's Grady at Twin Creek Audio, back in the living room today on the couch. And since I'm still waiting on the studio to get put back together, to get back to more of the studio and audio equipment demos, I've been concentrating more on guitar demos and then just one-off pieces where I explain pieces of equipment, things like that, stuff that I can do easily here in the living room. So today I want to talk to you about pickups. Guitar pickups specifically. I mean, what other kind of pickups would I be talking about on this channel anyway? But one thing that I see a lot in forums and on Facebook and groups and things like that is people, oh, you need to replace your pickups. You know, that guitar is good if you replace the pickups, etc., etc. Well, I'm here to tell you today, with a couple of examples, that that's not always the case. Just because it's an inexpensive guitar does not mean that the pickups need to be replaced with XYZ brand that you read on the forums that's supposed to be a lot better. Some inexpensive guitars have really good pickups. Cheap pickups or stock pickups on guitars are not bad. In fact, sometimes they're really cool sounding, really good sounding, or at the very least, they can be very unique. To demonstrate my theory that stock pickups on an older imported guitar like this Memphis Les Paul copy are not bad, I'm going to start with this guitar. This has the famous, what people refer to as a fake humbucker. These are more like a single coil inside a humbucker cover, but that doesn't mean they sound bad. In fact, I really like the stock pickups on this little Memphis Les Paul copy here. These things kind of sound like P90s to me, and they're really unique, and they have kind of just an odd aggressive tone, but they also can sound really pretty. So this is one example that I'm going to show you. And this Yamaha SE200, this thing sounds every bit as good as a lot of Strats that I've played. It may not be exactly the same, but it definitely has that vibe of a really cool Strat. And that is especially true when I'm playing this through a tube amp, although I really like the way it sounds through the hot tone Britwind amp also. This guitar is just a really good sounding guitar. It's really versatile, and these stock pickups in this thing are awesome. So I'm going to use the same little rig that I've used in the last few videos with the Jet City JCA20HV 20-watt tube head. And those are the settings that I'm going to use. I've got the master and the preamp gain turned down just because I'm in the house. I can't make it too loud in here. And then the EQ and everything's pretty much straight up or flat. The deep switch or depth switch is off. And then I've got the custom made speaker cabinet with the 10-inch box speaker. And I have it mic'd with the Samson CS2. And again, I'm using the built-in preamp on the original Motu 828 Firewire interface. Okay, first we're going to try out the Memphis LP 102, 103. The sticker wasn't on this one, so I'm not sure. Check the other video about this guitar that I made on this channel for more information on this. This is stock pickups. Everything is stock except for the tuning machines, which I replaced with some Godot tuners. So we're going to hear this one first. For the second example, I've got my Yamaha SE200. This is an 80s guitar. This is made in Taiwan. It has single coil Strat style pickup setup on it. This one has the stock pickups, and I think these pickups sound really good. So let's check this out. I'm going to further disprove the theory that stock pickups are bad and that you need to spend your money to replace them. So to sum up, what I'm really saying is don't believe the hype. Don't believe all the stuff you read on the internet that you must replace your stock pickups in your guitar. If you like the pickups in your guitar, then don't change them, because that's just spending more money. And do you really need to? You're really going to hear a difference? I'm sure in some cases you are going to hear a difference if you put some really high-end boutique pickups in a guitar like this. But really, is it worth the time and effort? Especially with something like the two I've shown today, which both have really good sounding stock pickups. So I hope you enjoyed and understood the two examples of stock pickups on these two guitars that I showed you today. And of course, I'm not saying never to replace the pickups in your guitar. If there's a specific sound that you're going for and you've read about a type of pickup that you really want to put in your guitar, but you don't want to change the guitar, by all means you can do that. It's your guitar. I'm just saying it may not be as necessary as some of these forum posts and posts on Facebook make it out to be. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you all have an excellent day, night, evening, weekend, weekday, hour, minute, second, nanosecond, whatever it is you're having. Have a good one. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And in addition, click the notification bell icon once for periodic updates and twice for more frequent updates on new uploads on this channel. Thanks so much for watching.